Hey guys, this is Kerry Cole. Welcome to June Lake. This is a trip the family and I take every summer in August. And just wanted to show you how spectacular the view of the lake is from the sky. Down below here on the left is where we camp. It's called O Ridge Campground. You can tent camp or bring your RV. The spots aren't too bad. You got a couple of them that are better than others. So before you go, you might want to scope it out and see what campsite's best for your needs. As you can see, the color of the water, we got that two-tone going on here, turquoise, and that deep, rich blue drops off into the crater. Got a lot of people out on this day. It actually gets more crowded than this. Just panning here to the right, giving you a better view of the lake. If you guys are into off-roading like dirt bikes or mountain bikes or side-by-sides, this is a great place to come. You can bring your side-by-sides and dirt bikes into the campground and ride them out of the campground off into the trails. A lot of trails out there. Here we got a good bird's eye view of the lake panning up. You can see some boats in the water. Got some paddle boarders out there. Everybody's out here hanging out, family and friends. I hope you guys like the video. I know it's short, but I'd like to start getting some more content out there for everybody to check out and explore. Like and subscribe. Leave me some comments.